Okay, hi guys. I would like to show you how to create an HDInsight cluster. We go to all services, analytics, HDInsight clusters. Okay, put some unsaved data. I'm being prompted with the default screen for a specific resource type. So let's create HDInsight cluster. I have to select cluster name. Let's buy this guy, big data. That's what it is. It's validating. I can give my subscription and cluster type. I need to select what types do we have. Spark, Hadoop, HBase, Storm, machine learning services, the new R server, Kafka interactive query, which is now Hive. It's called just a different name for Hive. I will go with plain Hadoop. Operating system Linux. I cannot change that. That's default and different version of Hadoop. 4.0 is in preview, so let's go with that stable version. That step is done. Now login password. I can use the admin login password. That's not very secure, obviously. Do not use that in production, but for a quick demo, I can get away with that. So my cluster password will be. Obviously, I will not tell you that. Sorry, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. A secure shell. I can leave what we have. Resource group. Again, I have got different resource groups. I can create a new one. I can use what I have, so that's okay. I will create, let's use the West Europe, a little bit closer. Okay, that's done. Let's see, it will validate whether all my selections are correct. Let's hope I will not have to make any adjustments. Yes, good, success. Now, second step, storage account, quite important. Primary storage type, Azure Storage, Data Lake, Generation 2. I will go with the plain one. I will select storage. It's the storage account. That's selected. Container, I already have one. I can obviously create a new one, but I will use this one. I don't require additional storage. Obviously, I can create more if I want. Metadata. We do know that Hadoop stores its metadata in SQL databases, but obviously for this one, it's for Hive or Uzi. So this is optional. That's why it's optional. It's not the Hadoop's data. It's done behind the scenes managed service, so we don't have to worry. This is for Hadi and Uzi, so I will skip this. Great, it's validating. I passed the second step. I'm one step closer. I can see all my details, location, a bit boring stuff, storage account, no additional storage, cluster size. That's quite important because that have effect on my performance and obviously money. Because this is just a simple experiment, I will switch to make worker node, make it slightly weaker. I don't need that anything that expensive. There's cheaper one, 11 cents per hour, 2 cores, 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is enough for me. This is the worker node. Head nodes. Again, view all head nodes. Anything cheaper? Yeah, I can do the same one for head node to save myself quite a lot of money. Okay, 63 cents for an hour of usage. It's quite weak, few cores, not much RAM, but should be enough. Script action is optional. I have no script action. Let's go next. It's validating. Okay. Let's wait a second. I have no script actions. It's validating. Come on, yes, okay, it passed. So all the steps is done. Kafka can confirm all my costs. I get 6 nodes, 2 head nodes, 4 worker nodes, 12 cores in total. Version of Hadoop, my West Europe storage. So let's create. We'll see how long it will take. It's warning that takes about 20 minutes. So we can imagine that this is provisioning several virtual machines. So for bigger worker, bigger node size, you can expect probably this time to take longer. Okay, let's create. And now just waiting.